How to select the right data science machine learning course for yourself. First thing, it is very important to understand that this profession and is a lifelong profession. It is a career. It is not a job. So you can continue doing this till your brain is active. Number one, just like a doctor, lawyer, or a chartered accountant. Because why is it more similar to a lawyer, doctor, or chartered accountant rather than an IT, just an IT professional? Because everything is about judgment. It is not about following a certain set of requirements alone. We are here to make the business or our client succeed. And therefore, practicals is the most important factor. Any data science course which does not attach itself to a consulting firm will not give you the hands-on skills which are required. And it is not dummy projects and all. It's actual interaction with the client. When you can feel the pain and the emotion of a client when they are coming to you for a solution. Number two, don't just go by the value of degree. In today's world, degrees really don't matter, and don't believe me on it. Do your own research and see how many people with degrees are still unemployed. So it is obviously not degrees which matter. What matters is your skills and how you've demonstrated them. Number three, don't just go for costs. Do not burn your hard-earned savings or your parents' hard-earned savings and a large amount of funds getting into something which you may not be sure of. Definitely go abroad or join the best of institutes. Spend a lifetime if you want to do a PhD. But if you want to get started on data science, get into the career, build a career in data science, the best option is either to join a course which is attached to a data science company or join a data science company through your technology or other skills and shift to a data science department. At ATI, because Redwood is the parent company, Redwood Algorithms is the parent company of ATI, all our students who clear our assessments in class get a direct entry into paid internships with us. And that is what really gives the foundation. So if you are figuring out how to enter, don't look at just getting a degree. It is not going to help. You can look at LinkedIn, you do your own homework. Don't go by fancy brochures. Do your homework and see whether degrees really help. And you'll end up spending at least a couple of $1,000s on it. It doesn't work. The core is ask yourself those 3 questions which I requested you to ask. Get into the program, build a network, and demonstrate your skills with the client. If your client succeeds, you will become a famous data scientist. In the intervening, make sure you're in the top of the game in your competitions, you're writing blogs, you're active on LinkedIn, and so on. Those things we will discuss in class. Thank you.